Hello, everyone. Welcome again to Serving Soul. Hope all is doing well. Today we have mussels in my special sauce, and I also will have a special guest, my little granddaughter. She shall be coming out any minute. Y'all met her before. Her name is Amani. But I'm going to get started because anyone who eats seafood know it doesn't take but a minute for it to get cool and cold. So let's give it a go.
And Happy New Year. You didn't tell me.
Oh, yes. And happy New Year and a prosperous one for all of y'all, including myself. It's good. But I forgot how chewy they are. I didn't even get my Mountain Dew. That's my special guest yelling up from upstairs for someone to come get her. So I guess y'all will be seeing her any minute now.
Alright, I'm here. You can see the smile on her face. Are you ready for this?
Oh my god. I'll go this way.
No, there's no space. Come
These
this
are
way.
called green mussels
Go around.
because you see the back of it's green. Okay. And I bought it from Dan's Seafood here in South Florida off Atlantic Boulevard
They cannot see
in Margate.
me. They cannot see me.
And say hello, Amani.
Ah,
Can you see?
uh-huh.
All right. And what are you eating today, Amani?
This is
What is that?
pineapple,
I think it's pear.
pear, and pineapple and grapes.
Right on. I got
What
you
are
the
you
spoon.
eating?
Mussels.
Mussels, a lot of mussels in
You like all the different colors?
Yes.
Yes. What all colors you see? Tell me.
Green, yellow, and orange,
Right. And
Where's the mountain?
red.
right on. And what color is the mussels?
Green.
Aha.
They're big.
Yes, they are.
I slipped down.
Okay, I have to eat these on the fast side of money because they get cold
Where's the Mountain Dew?
in the freezer.
I get the grape. Get off. Wow. Yum, guys. Yum. Yummy.
Very good.
Yummy in my tummy. Mm.
Wait a minute now. You can't be taking over no show because you know who. You know who. Right on. Thank you.
You know who.
Sorry, y'all. I had to remind her who the star was.
Yum. Pear.
So, Monty, how have your new year been going?
Good.
Good? Yeah, are you going to try to do things that you didn't do last year? You're 4 years old. Is this something that you would like to do or accomplish this year?
You want to talk about the day?
Huh?
You want to talk about day?
I can't hear you.
You want to talk about our day?
Talk about a day?
Our day.
Oh, you're going to talk about it all day?
Our day.
Yeah. She said you want to talk about our day.
Yeah, we can talk about all day. What happened?
I have to see. Wait, where's the camera?
Back there, you on it.
But Marty,
They
scoot
see
over.
you. But
She's
then
so
she too
short.
low.
Let me get a pillow for her.
Okay, stand up. Y'all excuse me for 1 second. Don't go nowhere now. Okay. Put your legs. Good girl.
But Face the thing back.
No, it's not for you to see, Mommy. It's for you to do your thing. Come on, Monty Wilson. Oh, no. I know. Forgot. Ooh, Lord. Y'all, this is very good.
God, I'm good.
You know what, Ashley, if you can get me a bowl. Let me see if I can move my one.
Yum.
Look at that, y'all. Just look at that. Look at the juice just running down.
And all the food is running down.
Yeah, goodness.
A bone.
I would suck it off this out of the shell, but the only thing I don't want to once again choke.
You want to choke?
Don't want to be the first one to do that. That's for sure.
Guys, she didn't want it, but I don't want to eat it. Uh-oh. Delicious. Huh?
Switch over so you're in it. So you're not in it.
I'm eating some grapes. Guys, I'm gonna eat another grape. Guys, I'm gonna eat another grape.
So how was school? You want to talk about school, Amani? What happened?
Look, guess
You had a
what?
good day?
But guess what?
Guess what?
I didn't pee my clothes.
Oh, I don't think they want to hear that, Mama Cedar.
I
That's between us and you, not them.
yes.
No,
Yes.
nope. You don't tell everything now. You hear me that? Now, if you're gonna sit here and tell everything, I think I may have to sit you somewhere else. You know what they say, y'all? Out of the mouths of babes.
I eat my food.
Very good, y'all.
I'm gonna eat this. Uh-oh. I wear my clothes.
So, Monty, what you want to talk about besides something you shouldn't
Let's
be
talk
talking
about your day, Granny.
My day? Well, you know I've been up and down the road. I picked you up from school, right? Then we went to the store. You went to the hair place.
My hair, please.
When you and your Ash, y'all picked up my hair to get my hair done. You don't remember that? And then I went to get you what? The Jamaican patty, right?
And I ate it.
Did you enjoy that?
Guys, if you eat a patty before, eat it. No.
Well, that's 7 down, y'all.
Nope. Nope.
And the sad part about this is, I don't know if anyone else in the house eat this.
Me either.
So I sure enough
Comment down below.
got to eat
if
as
you
much as
ate
I
this.
can. So when I come back later, I'll be able to finish it at least.
I don't want to go.
Okay, let's try it this way.
I'm trying this.
Let me try to take it out the shell.
Take that out the shell.
Yeah. There we go, and eat it like this. I think that's a little
No. Ew, yuck.
better. You want to try one? Excuse me. You want to try one?
Is it milk?
That ain't no milk. This is vegetables.
Let me have a bite.
Okay, we're gonna let her try it, y'all. Let's see how she handles this.
Let me have fries.
All right, once again, out of the mouth of babes. Take a bite. Pull it. Not chew. It's chewy, so you got to chew it for a minute.
Down.
You like it? Whoa, she like it. What happened? You bit your tongue? What happened?
Are you okay?
What happened? Oh, you slipped down your throat? Okay.
Almost choked?
You alright? So maybe we might not let you eat it. Here you go. Hold it. Well, she did like it, but then it almost slipped down her throat, so that ain't gonna happen.
Uncle.
What?
Thank you.
You alright, Mommy? Okay, be careful. Don't waste the water.
I'll never eat that again, guys.
You would never... Did y'all hear her? She said she'll never eat this again, guys. Why not, Amani?
Because it slipped down my throat.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. This pineapple is so cold.
Yeah. Straight from the refrigerator. Did I give you a napkin?
No. Here's the napkin right here.
You got one then.
It doesn't-
Take that. You can sit it here so it don't fall on the floor.
Okay, put yours right there too.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat another grape, guys.
This
I'm
is
eating
so
all
good.
these
This
grapes,
is such
guys.
a good, nice combination.
So you like it? The chewiness isn't bothering you?
No.
Is it good like the Fresh Harvest?
I think when I ate it from there, it was cooked differently. See, one thing about food, people cooking, you can take the same thing and cook it like so many different ways. You know what I'm saying? But Fresh Harvest definitely didn't have this because this right here, y'all, is only serving soul.
Yeah.
Okay?
And
when you go to a
comment down below
restaurant,
if
then
you've
they
seen
take-
my videos.
Mom?
I said comment down below if you've seen my videos.
Oh, Lord. Okay.
I drank some juice. I have juice right here. I've been drinking so much juice. What's
And y'all
this?
see, I do have thyme mixed in with it. Like I told y'all in the previous video, I'm half Bahamian. Not that we're not, they're not the only ones that use thyme, but they use quite a bit of it, and it does bring a different taste. I'd rather use the fresh thyme. I don't really like using the dry thyme. You don't get the taste doesn't go into the food the way the real thyme does. Once again, nice size, right?
Oh my god, it's too big.
No, it's not too big, baby. It's just right. You think I want to use all this energy chewing
No.
for something little? Nah, baby, I want to taste it to where I can say, good. Y'all know what I'm talking about. She'll learn when she get older.
Now, guys, I'm gonna eat the pineapple. Yum.
Don't put something over your lap.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you. I'm gonna eat the last grape, guys. Ready?
You want to say hello to your grandmother in Orlando and your grandmother and your grandpa and Omar. Say hello, family.
Hello, Harry.
I love you.
I love you too.
Don't talk with your
Very good.
in your mouth.
Now, one thing, I cut this to get. That's one thing. I can eat onions, but I can't eat it big.
Gran, next
Yeah?
time you have to buy the thing that Papa has and you take it home.
What is that?
The watermelon. We had to get them too because that one's his. We need the watermelon.
Okay.
I like watermelon. You guys hear that?
Yep. She said she would love to have had some watermelon with her fruits. The watermelon season wasn't that good this year, though.
Yeah.
And here in South Florida, we also have mango season.
In Florida,
And that wasn't even
it
good
doesn't
either.
snow.
No, it doesn't. Thank God for that, right? But it was chilly the last few weeks, right?
Yeah. It was chilly. It was so chilly. And today, rain.
Mm-hmm. You're right.
And guess what, guys? I got umbrella.
Mommy got an umbrella. Mommy got an umbrella.
I just took a big bite, guys.
Now look how huge. I have to show y'all this. Oh my God.
That's big now.
Now look how big this is. This is the mother of them all.
That's a
Out
big
of father one. This thing is huge.
one.
And I think when I eat this one, I think I will be done for
I mean, not done.
this. Oh, let me pull it off first. Because I don't want to mess around and almost choke like Amani just did. Right, Amani? Won't be laughing at me, correct?
Correct.
Daddy said those are snails.
These ain't no snails. Oh my God.
Guys, comment down below
These,
if you
can
eat
somebody
snails.
comment below and tell this person that this is not a snail?
Oh my God. Tell Papa.
Once again, does this look like a snail?
Oh my God. That doesn't look like a snail. That's like
No
a
day.
shell.
No day.
That's like a shelf on the road.
A what?
A shelf on the road.
Which is called mussel.
Guys, pretend you are driving in a garbage truck. That's weird.
Y'all know this good. You can pick it up and eat it like this.
Is that one now with the mussel? You can
No,
eat
this
that.
is
You can swallow it. You can just swallow and chew it. You can swallow it.
yes.
Swallow and then swallow it.
The only thing that I know that you really don't chew, you may do it like 1 or 2 bites and swallow, is a clam.
We're almost done.
A lot of people just do
I'm
a couple
done.
of bites and swallow. But when I used to eat them, I can't do that.
Camera grape.
I ain't got that good yet.
Okay.
Okay. I said that was my last one, but it's so good. It's very good.
So eat all of it.
No, if I eat all of them, I'm a bust. And if I bust, who's going to clean it up?
Ash.
Ash? I think Ash begged the dipper.
Oh my God, I found it.
Mm.
Alright, comment down below
Well-
if you eat pear.
Y'all see I really put a damage on these.
Oh,
That is a lot.
if you eat all that, then you'll go crazy around the house.
Mm. You may be right, Money.
Yeah, Grandma told
That's
me.
quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I left.
Yeah, 5.
I ain't gonna let y'all know unless y'all was counting how
1,
many
2,
I
3,
truly
4,
ate.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have 20 more left.
Oh man, I'm gonna give you a kiss for that. Mwah. Good. And how old are you? How many is that?
4.
Right.
I'm 4. Comment down below if you have a daughter that name is Amani.
Let's hope not.
Lonnie, you don't say your whole name on the internet. You just say your first name.
Okay, everyone. Thank you once again, as always, for joining me. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope you and your family stay safe.
Comment down below.
Excuse me, Missy. I'm going to give you your opportunity. Okay? You want to chill? All right. Now, if I can remember where I was. But anyway, everybody be safe. Let's respect each other. And may we all have a prosperous new year. Now, the show belongs to Amani. What do you want to say? Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And be safe.
And be safe.
Safe.
Safe. I said safe.
All right. Bye-bye now.
Jump it up and down.
That's it, Ashley.
That's it. I'm done.
Oh, Jesus. Look how I ate these things. You know they had to be good, Ashley.